Good afternoon, children.
Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. So, children, we are learning compare unlike fractions. Compare unlike fractions. So, Dia,
Yes,
can you tell
ma'am.
me what are unlike fractions, Dia? Unlike fractions.
The fractions that have different denominators.
Different denominators. Okay, fractions that have different denominators, they are known as unlike fractions. So, Daniel, so what will be like fractions? Like? Hmm. I have not muted. I didn't do anything. You can mute, unmute. Hmm.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Daniel. Okay, Nandita. What is like fractions?
The fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions.
Okay, fractions that have same denominators are called like fractions. So if the fractions have different denominators, it is not easy to compare. That's why we are finding what, Anandesh? If the fractions are different denominators, so we don't know. So what we are finding?
We are finding LCM.
LCM, least. Okay, Daniel, I understood maybe some audio problem for you. So if the denominators are different, we will try to make the denominators same by using or finding the least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay.
Or cross multiply.
Cross multiply also it's there. Okay, cross multiplication, that also help us to compare. Okay, so Angelina, if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
denominators are same, how can we compare the fractions if the denominators are same?
By looking the numerators,
By looking at the numerator.
which is the biggest numerator that will be the
Bigger figure.
biggest bigger.
Okay. If the
fraction.
denominators are same, children, we will look at the numerator to find check which fraction is bigger. Whose audio is not muted now? Please check. So if the numerator is bigger, in that case, that fraction is bigger. Okay. So now who can tell me? Yes, Manu, if the numerators are same, what we will look?
The denominators.
Look at the denominator and tell me how we can compare.
If which denominator is small, that fraction will be big.
Bigger. Very good. So children, if it is opposite, if the numerator is bigger, in that fraction is bigger when the denominators are same. Means we are dividing all the object in equally. But if the denominator is different, we will look at the numerator will be same, but denominator are different. We will look at the smaller denominator. That fraction is bigger. Okay, children, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Then only we can compare the fraction and we will be able to write in ascending order, descending order. That we will do later. But now I will show you some, what we have discussed. I will explain. Look at the screen. I'm going to share the screen. Gautam, can you see? Alok, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, we can compare the unlike fractions. I told you by cross multiplication method also we have discussed last class, and finding the LCM. So here we have to, 1 minute. Here we have to compare the unlike fractions. So what we have to do? We have to do cross multiply. So 7 by 12 and here 5 by 18. Here both the numerators also different. Numerators also different. Denominators also different. So what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. 7 into 18. So 7 into 18 we will find out. What is 7 into 18? That is 126. Next, we will compare here 12 into 5. That is 60. So 7 into 18 we will do. Then sometimes we will get confused. 7 into 18, where we will write here or here. So what we had to do, 7 into 18, when we, after multiplication, we will write that here 126. That represents the fraction 7 by 12. And 12 into 5, we will write here that answer is, that answer is here 60. So which number you have to now look at the number 126 and 60, which is bigger? We can see here from the, yes, Devak, which number is bigger here, 126 and 60? Okay.
7 by 12.
So the number here, which is bigger, 126 is greater than 60. So that means 712 is greater than 5 by 18. Understood? So we have discussed already, just and we are just revising it again. So here we are doing cross multiplication method, and look at here, both the numerators and denominators are different. Now, otherwise, what you will do? You will find the LCM of 12 and 18. 12 and 18. So we'll do next little more examples here. 4 into 5. So what is, we have to find out whether 4 by 7, 3 by 5. Here also, when we look at the numerators and denominators, all are different. So what you have to do? We will do cross multiplying. 4 into 5, we will write it here, 20. 7 into 3, what is that? 21. Now look at the number. Here it is 20, 4 by 7 and 3 by 5. 7 into 3, that will 3 by 5. So which fraction is bigger? 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. Understood? So children, this cross multiplication method we will use to add if for unlike fraction, that is if the denominators are different. Or what we can do, children, here, LCM method. We will take 7 and 5. Children, we are just explaining again, all the children, I hope you are paying attention here. Please listen carefully. I don't want any distraction. All we have discussed, and I am showing with more examples so that you will, if anyone have any confusion, we are just revising it again. So LCM, that is least common multiple. We will find the LCM of not numerator. We will take the denominators, 7 and 5. 7 and 5. So children, I told you clearly, if there are no common factors between these numbers, we can multiply 7 into 5. 35 will be the LCM. Okay. If there, see 7 and 5, there are no common factors. In that case, when you do here, when you see there are no common factors, what you can do? 7 into 5, 35. So here 5, we'll write here 7, here 1. Here again 7, 1, 1. So 7 into 5 is 35. So if the denominators are different, there are no common factors, children, it is better you can do directly. 7 into 5, 35 is the LCM, least common multiple. Now we will check how you will get 35. You will cross this 5, you have to take it here. 5, 4 into 5. So that you will get same denominator. Here what you will do? 5 into 7. This denominator you will multiply because we want to get equal or same denominator. So 5 into 7, 7 into 5. Both will be same. So 7 into 5 will be, yes, Anthony, unmute and help me.
Ma'am, 7 into 5 is 35.
7 into 5 is 35. And what about 4 into 5?
21, 20.
20. So this will be 20 by 35. Here, if you are multiplying the denominator by same number, you have to multiply the numerator also. Now, what is 3 into 7?
21.
21. Divided by 5 into 7?
35.
35. Now, look at the denominators. Now, they became like fractions. Here also 35, here also 35. Now look at the numerator here. Numerator is here 20, here 21. So which is big? Huh?
3 by 5.
21. 21 means that fraction is representing 3 by 5. That 21 by 35 is equivalent to 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is greater than 20 by 35. Understood, children? So I'm explaining both cross multiplication and LCM, but this LCM method is also very important so that we can do the we can see here 3. I told you 3 into 7. So Harsha, can you tell me the LCM? I'm explaining both the methods because these two methods are very important. Okay. So Harsha, 3 and 7, they are means prime numbers. They don't have any numbers in common. So better you can
21.
so 21 is the LCM. Understood, children? Here there are no common factors. So we can just multiply 3 into 7. So here you will multiply by which number to make it 21, Harsha? Yes? Muted?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
help?
Ammu. Ammu. 2 into which number? 3 into which number so that we will get here 21?
Yes, ma'am.
3 into which number?
3 into 7.
7. Just children look at the other number. Here 3, but what is the other number? 7. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by same. So what is 7 into 2?
14.
14. 7 2s are 14. 3 into 7 is 21. Okay. Here also no need to see. Look at the other number. Which is the other number? You have to multiply 4 into 3, 7 into 3. Okay. What is 4 into 3? 12 and 7 into 3?
21.
21. So that is 12 by 21. Now which is bigger, 14 or 12?
14.
14. So 14 means which fraction is bigger? 2 by 3.
2
So
by
children, here the denominator is 21. Denominator is 21. But we are looking at the numerator, 14 and 12. So cross multiplication is also the same method, LCM. When you do 7 into 2, you will get here 14. So when you do LCM, what you will do? You will 2 into 7, you will get 14 that we are writing there. Now 3 into 4. What is 3 into 4? 12. That also is same like LCM method. But here 14, we are not writing the LCM, 7 into 3. We are not writing the denominator. Here also 3 into 4, 12 by 21. When you do cross multiply, the denominators will become same. So we are checking only the numerator. So we understood 14 is bigger than 12. Okay, children, understood. So that is LCM and cross multiplication method. 4 into 5, 20. Here when you do 10 into 2, 12, 20. So what is that? They are equivalent fractions because when they do cross multiply, what you will get? Equal. So that means they are equivalent fractions. Okay, children. So what you were doing? Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication method means that when we do, the denominators will be like fractions. So it will be easy for us to compare. What is compare means? You have to find out whether they are greater, less than, or equal to. Okay. Now we'll check the next one. Okay, Isha. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you can observe here? Look at the numerator and denominator.
They have different denominators.
Different denominators. What about the numerators?
Same numerators.
Same numerators. So I am going to here compare the numerators. Then what we have discussed, if the numerators are same, if the numerators are same, we have discussed now the points.
We have to check the denominators.
Denominators. Here that is 2 and here it is 4. So which fraction is bigger?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good. So, children, if the numerators are same, what we will do? We will compare the denominators, and which denominator is small? Here 2 is small, but that fraction is bigger, 1 by 4. Understood? Now, children, if have any doubt, you can look at the picture. Look here, that day I was asking, if I have 1 by 2 part of pizza and 1 by 4 part of, which one you will choose, Fia? Which one you will choose? Look at the picture and
1
tell
by 2.
1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2.
Because that's small.
We can look at from the picture itself, it is clear which part is big. That is when the division means the denominator represents the total number of parts. If the number we are dividing is less, means that fraction is bigger. Okay. Now next one, check here. Yes, Anandesh, what you can notice here? Look at the numerators and denominators.
Ma'am, yeah, yes. Ma'am, the denominators are the
Same denominator, very good. Okay, here 4, here 4. If the denominators are same, what do you have to compare now?
We should compare the numerators.
Numerators. So here it is 1 and here it is 3. Okay, so which is big?
3.
3. If 3 is bigger means this
3
fraction
by
is
4
bigger.
is
3 by 4 is bigger. And look at the picture also. Here we have only quarter, like 1 by 4 piece we are getting. Here 3/4. We are getting this much part. So which is big? 3 by 4 is bigger. So children, 1 by 4 will be less because we are getting only one part. Here we are getting 3 part of the same size figure. Here all the pieces are of the same size. All the pieces are same size, but here like that we are getting 3 pieces. Here we are getting only 1 piece. So I hope now you can easily from the picture also you can understand. Okay, children, is there any doubt in comparing fractions?
Ma'am, when we cross LCM method, when we do the LCM method, in that we are giving the number which is if the numerator is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. When we look like that, how we look that 1 by 2 and 1 by 3.
1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Fia, who was saying that if the numerators are same? Fia, Isha. Yes, Isha. You were telling me with how to compare with the same numerator. Yes?
Sorry,
1 by 2 and 1 by 3.
Not that question. Ma'am, if a number like 4 by 7 and 8 by 21, when we look at cross by LCM method, we will do the 7 and 21. So we will get the answer.
So you can do like this also. How you can get 7 into which number is 21? 7 into 3.
No, ma'am, I'm asking. So if we multiply like this without finding the LCM, 7 into 21, we get the answer. And next time,
it will become big number. So better if there are common factors means it is better to find the LCM. Okay. So you'll get less means the fraction will be with smaller numbers. Otherwise it will become big. Okay, children, can you take out your workbook?
Yes.
Some distraction from some house. So it's better to call you by one. Yes, children, can you take, tell me, all of you, tell me the page number. I think it's 22, 23. Yes. Yes, Chinmay, can you tell me which question we have completed last class? over?
Ma'am, I completed 14th.
14. So children, we have to do from question number 15. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fia, can you read question number 15, Fia?
Yes, ma'am. Compare these pairs of fraction.
Yes, compare
Tw-
this.
uh,
Mm.
frac-
28 by 9,
9
43 by
and
13.
43 by
So
13.
Angelina, like this, more questions we will do with the common factors and with the prime numbers. So 9 and 13, look at Fia, look at the numbers 9 and 13. Is there any common factors? 13 is a prime number.
Yes, ma'am.
So 13 is a prime number. Yes, Richard, can you tell me, is there any, where is Richard? He said, yes, ma'am. Is there any common factors? Yes, children, tell me 9 and 13. Is there any common factors?
No, ma'am.
No. Yes. 13 is a prime number. Yes. So better you can, the number with the 9, you can have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 13. And the other number 13, you have to multiply by 9 and 9. Okay. That is same as cross multiplication.
So, ma'am, if
We can do cross multiplication or LCM. Both are same.
if they have common, then we
We have to do, we have to find the LCM.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we will do together. Okay, so question number 15. So the fraction is 28 by 9. 43 by 13. We had to compare. We had to check whether it is less than, greater than. So I told you LCM, how to find LCM. It will be there 9 and 13. They don't have any common factors. So it will be 9 times 13. Find out the answer and tell me. 9 into 13. Brightly, you didn't get the page. Page number 23. 22 is the question and we are going to write. Yes, Alok, can you multiply and tell me? Didn't get. Yes, Agnay, can you tell me? 9 into 13.
Ma'am?
Finished?
No,
LCM?
ma'am, I was doing cross multiply.
Okay, 9 into 13. So children, here you have to, when you do cross multiply also, you have to do like this. When you do 28 into 13, you have to do 9 into 13 also. So in cross multiplication, we are just multiplying the numerator 28 and the denominator. We are not finding 9 into 13. Who can tell me 9 into 13? Who have finished? 9 times 13. Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, 100. Ma'am, 117.
117.
117. Okay, children, did you get all of you? Please check.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
117. 117.
7.
That is 117. So anyway, you have to multiply 28 by 13 and the denominator will be same in both the case. 117. So 28 into 13, find out 9 by 13 also. So the next one, we have to take 43 by 13. 43 by 13. So which is the next number? Even if when you do cross multiplication means you have to do multiply by 9. So that same you have to do here into 9. 13 times 9. So anyway, you will get the same denominator. Find out the numerator and tell me which fraction is greater.
43 by 13.
43 by 13 is greater.
Greater.
So you have to 28 multiplied by 13. What's the answer, children?
364.
364. So when you do 28 times 13, 364 by 117. 43 times 9,
387.
387. Now you have to compare which is numerator, because we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
made the denominators same, means like fractions. We have made like fractions. Now we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to. Hmm. So here when you do, children, it's clear. 387 is bigger. So which is the fraction equivalent to that? 43 by 13. So children, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
write 43 by 13 is greater than, or we can write 28 by 9. So we can write here. So what is the fraction here? 28 by 9
28
and
by
43 by
9.
13. So 28 by 9 is, that is less than 43 by 13. Question number B, children, you have to, like when Angelina was asking that 4 and 2, they have common factors. So find out the LCM. Second number A, we have done now. Now next one is question number B, you can do. Yes, Anandesh? Is there any doubt?
Excuse, ma'am, we can write it as 14 rows in like that steps we can write.
That also same
14
LCM
rows
now.
in.
That we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
finding LCM. The same method we are doing LCM now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children here, yes, Gautam, 4 and 2, they have common factors. So which is LCM?
But I find out with the help of cross multiply.
Cross multiplication, yes.
So I got the answer.
Which is answer? Which fraction is bigger?
26 by 4.
26 by 4.
Yes.
So those children who finish question number A, start question number B. Here B, I told you we can find out the LCM, or we can see 4 and the other one is, next one children, look here, 4 and 2. So you can see when you make 2 into 2, by which number you can multiply to get the equal denominator, that is 2. So without finding the LCM like 4 and 2, you should understand what will be the LCM. Here 2, 2
Ma'am,
2s
2.
are 4.
1. 2. 1,
So
1.
2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4 is the LCM. Question number B, 26 by 4. 11 into 11 by 2. Okay, so children, the LCM is 4. So here nothing. So means what? 26 by 4, we will multiply by 1 in 1. Because here already the denominator is 4. No need to multiply by any other number. So what is here we will get? You have to multiply by 1, 26 by 4.
By 4.
The next one is here we have already 2. So 11 by 2.
2.
Which number you have to multiply?
2.
2. Why? Because children, you want to make the denominator
22
same
by
denominator.
4.
4. 2 into 2 is 4. 11 into 2. What is 11 into 2?
22.
22.
Okay. So children, we want to make the common denominator, that is the least common multiple, that is 4. So you have to look at the denominator, by which number you will multiply to get the denominator as 4. Here already the number is, denominator is 4. So by which number you will multiply? By 1, because we don't want to change. Here we have already the denominator is 2. By which
So
number
we
you
need
have to multiply to get
by 2.
4?
2.
2. So the same number you have to multiply the numerator and denominator. Now, Ananda, tell me, look at the board and tell me here also the denominator is 4. And okay, look at the board and tell me, here denominator is 4, here. Now, which fraction is bigger? Here we have 26 numerator. Here we have 22. Yes, Anaka?
26 is bigger.
Okay, 26 is bigger means which fraction is bigger? The fraction
26
equivalent
by
here,
4.
26 by 4. That is bigger. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And right. So, which is fraction equivalent to question number B? 26 by 4 is bigger. 26 by 4 is greater than 11 by 2.
Ma'am, I also finished question number C and D.
Ah, D. Very good, very good. We can check the answers now. Okay, children, try to do alone, all of you, and check the answers from the board. Question number C, that here 24, it's 21 by 24, and 7 by 8. So here in this case, you can see 8 into which number you can make 24.
3.
Okay, Fia,
Ma'am,
tell
by
me.
3, by 3.
When you multiply by which number you will get 24?
3.
3. So here also 3, here also 3. So if you want to check whether you can use again this LCM like this, check whether you are getting 24. So first we will do with 2, 12 and 4. Again we can make 2,
6, 2.
6, 2. Here we
Again
can
we
make
can-
2, 3 2s are,
2.
and here
Finish.
1. Finished.
So 8.
We can finish by this step also, we can finish, but it's, if you have any doubt, we can make always 1 1, then you will not. So what is that LCM we have to do? LCM is 2
24.
into 2 into 2 into 3.
24.
2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3 is 24. So children, without doing like this, you can make, okay, 24 I should get. Here I have 8. Is there are any multiple I can make so that I can make 24? You will see. Then immediately you can find out 8 into 3, 7 into 3. So that method also we can use without, if the factors have common. Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, I have done by cross multiplying all
Yes,
the
cross
questions.
only, no problem.
Yes, ma'am, I also find it and it is
Okay.
equal.
Yes, 21 by 24. Here
is
into 1,
equal.
into 1. So we will get
Equal.
21 by 24. Here we have
24.
7 by 8. And what we had to do, multiply by 3 and
By
multiply by
3.
And
So
multiply by
21 by 24. So it is
24
equal.
itself.
So the fractions are equivalent. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we can write here. So therefore, or so we can write anything. Therefore,
Therefore, 21 by 24 is equal to
21 by
7 by
24 is
It is equal.
equal to
7 by 8.
7 by 8.
7 by 8. I hope it's clear. All of you got the answers. Yes,
Yes,
children. That is very
yes.
easy one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Next one is what? 3 by 8. 27 by 32.
27 by
Here also, children,
32.
you can see that easily that LCM is 32 by looking at the numbers. Question number D. 3 by 8. 27 by 32. So why we are doing LCM? Because if you want to make same denominator, looking at the denominator here, I can easily find out 8 into 4 is 32. The same we have to do here, 3 into 4.
Yes.
So children, before finding the LCM, we can directly look at the denominators. How can I make equal or same denominator by multiplying? Yes. So 3 by 8, we had to multiply by 4. Okay.
4
What is 3
and
into 4? 3 into 4?
12.
12.
12.
8 into 4? 32.
32.
Okay. Next one, no need to do anything because already we have.
Use 1.
We can
Multiply by one.
1.
So 27 by 32.
Now look at the denominator. Which denominator is big?
27 by
27. So that is, look at the
27
fraction.
by 10.
27 by 32 is bigger. Yes, children?
Yes.
Complete
ma'am.
that. Therefore, we can say 3 by 8. We are looking at the question. Which fraction is given first? That is 3 by 8. Then we can write less than. So which is the second fraction? 27 by 32. That fraction is bigger. So always look at the question and we can do 3 by 8 is less than 27 by 32. Okay, children. Now question number 16
ma'am.
also there. I think that we can do as homework. Question number 16.
Ma'am, over.
Over.
I'm finished.
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Okay, so those children who have finished, it's okay, very good. And I hope other children, they can do question number 16 as homework. Yes, Ayman? Unmute and speak.
Ma'am, I have finished question number 16 and I am going to start 17th.
17.
Ma'am, so, ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, the numerators are same and the denominator which have the greatest number is the lowest one.
Yes.
And the denominator which have the greatest one and which has the lowest one is the greatest.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
If the denominators are same.
Okay, ma'am.
It is opposite, means we denominator means when we increase the number means that pieces or that will be less, small when we increase the number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Ask me.
Ma'am.
Share the screen. So we are going to wind up the class now.
Ma'am, can you send the notes?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have no place to write D in 15th question.
Try to make small without step also try to write.
Ma'am, that's why I do cross multiply.
But here we are using it for LCM, only one step is needed. For LCM is 32, you can write on the same step by multiplying that also we can write in the same line. So you will get place. Yes?
Ma'am, I had divided
You have to
it.
calculate before. Okay, I have 8 lines so that I can use, how many lines are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
12.
6,
So
7,
you
8.
Ma'am, I have used 2 lines for one section.
try to write. Okay.
12
Enough
lines.
place is there. 12 lines are there. You have to do 4 questions.
Ma'am, 30.
Ma'am, I have give 6 lines to A, B, C, D.
Okay. So children, question number 16 you can do as homework. We will see at 4,
Okay, ma'am.
25 at which board? Tell me the board.
5.
Bye.
Ma'am, there are 13 lines.
Thank you, ma'am.